Hey all, I'm Yago Leal with CIMsystem USA, and today we are going to show you a few things regarding special screw seats like Rosen screw, Powerball, and SegScrew, and what you should be taking care at the campsite in MillBox in order to process those cases. Alright, so first thing we have to do is to click on New Job, select our machine and the tool set that we have available, a material, and the fixture that we would like to use. Then we'll have to import our parts. So for any screw seat case, like any interface that you're meeting that has a screw seat, you will need to import those as implant cases or abutment cases at the software. So in this case here, I will import this STL as anatomic abutment bridge. I will add that on the quill, and I will import another case also as anatomic abutment bridge. While the software is importing here, let's discuss about why we are going to use replace for those cases. So when we are meeting without replace, this means that we are meeting the standard strategy that is available for us at this machine, this material, for this type of restoration. So when we are applying a replace, we are replacing the interface mesh of the STL file and applying exactly the mesh that we validated on our library. And on this mesh, on this replace library as well, it might contain a specific strategy that will mill that case in a proper way. So now that both cases are imported, I will select my disc here. So I will select a 20mm disc for this case. The software will do the auto nesting here. And at this step, I can cancel here and I can apply my replace. So for those cases where I have a special screw seat, so the screw seats, they are not flat or not like a cylindrical shape, like conical. So they might have like a really long cylindrical area, like with a cone or with a round up mesh like this one. This is a Powerball. So in order for us to mill properly this case, we need to apply custom strategies that comes along with the replace library to properly mill those areas. So when we are replacing those interfaces, the software is auto applying those strategies for us. So in order to use replace, it's a pretty simple feature. We need to go on Tools and Connection and then Replace. MillBox is asking us which interface do we want to replace. So I can select one of them and confirm. And on the first step, the software is asking select the current interface. If you don't know or if you don't have that on the library, you can say unspecified. So in this case, I will say that is unspecified. And then we'll move forward to the second step. And here we will need to select the interface that we want to insert on that case. So this STL here, I have a Powerball case. So for all of the special screw seats interfaces, they will be here under Special Screw Seats USA library. If you don't see this library here, or if it's not updated like mine, please contact your dealer so they can update your library for you. As you can see here, we have like mean screws, Powerball, Rosen screw, SegScrew, and Vortex. So those are all different shapes of screw channels that we have available on this library. For this case here, I'm going to select this Powerball MUA 2.0 straight with the straight channel. And here with this button here, I can click and I can select other interfaces to replace at the same time. Once I confirm, the software is going to remove the current interface that it has on the STL and it will apply the interface that we have on our library. After that, the interface will be in a yellow color, like you can see here. This means that these interfaces, they are replaced, and the software will apply proper strategies in order to mill the screw seats here as well. So I will repeat the process now with the SegScrews on those 3 cases here. All I need to do is go on Tools, Connection, Replace, select one interface. Now on the first step, the software is asking me which is the current interface. In this case, I won't say unspecified, even though I could. I will go under Special Screw Seats and I will tell the software this is a SegScrew MUA. And I will move forward to the second step. SegScrew MUA is already selected because I'm replacing to the same interface. And now I'm going to use this button here to select more than one interface to be replaced at once. After confirming, the software is going to remove the current interface, the blue ones, on this STL, and it's going to apply the interfaces that I have on the library. After that, I know that my interfaces here is going to use a custom strategy to mill the angle screw channels and the special screw seats in a proper way, and I can check my simulation to look for residual material on those, and if everything is okay, I can then move forward and start the meeting. Hey, thanks for watching, and well, if you follow those steps that we took here in this video, I'm sure you will have a huge rate on success regarding the case that you're processing with those types of special screw seats. If you found this video helpful, please take a look at the links on the description below for more workflow videos like this one. And be sure to register at help.CIMsystem.com for more articles and resources regarding MillBox. Thank you for watching. Ciao.